So hey, what's up you guys? It is TJ. I'm back with another video. So this video is not going to be long. I'm going to just show you guys my different hairstyles that I go to. I call them go-to hairstyles. I think it's like probably about 4 of them. So yeah, I haven't done a video in a couple months or probably a couple weeks or so. So I said, let's do a video. And I wanted to wait because I just got my retwist done. You guys can see, I'll let you guys see it. She did really good. Um, I paid like $90 for it, which is kind of expensive, but I don't care because she was good. I couldn't feel anything. I mean, she's the best or whatnot, but as you guys can also see, I have crinkles, so that means I had a style. So I took out the style like 3 days after. I'm not a person of styles, but let me go ahead and get into this video. So style number 1 is this style right here. It's basically just wearing my dreadlocks down. If you see me out in the street, you know, or anywhere, if I'm not home, when I'm home, it's wrapped up, you know. I keep a do-rag somewhere. I got about 12 of them around. But if I'm out, you see my hair, you know, Walmart or Target or somewhere, the mall. This is me right here. I'm just wearing it all down, and I have it part right here. And basically, I wear my hair like this. I don't part it in the middle because of my face structure, you know. But you see me, it's like this all the time. So the next style is whenever I go to work, I wear my hair like this. I wear it basically in a ponytail. That's my go-to. And there's two type of bands I use. I use this band and this band right here. And I call this the all-purpose band. I use this band for I love this band. This is like my most favorite band. And these bands, I keep these type of bands everywhere. I got like several in my car. I used to wear them on my arm. In the summertime, I wear them on my arm, but I have them in my car, on my desk at work, in my house, just everywhere because I mean, I don't like my hair being down all over the place and stuff like that. But yeah, my go-to style, and I basically wear this style to work. I just put it back into a ponytail, and there you have it. Nothing too fancy, you know. Yeah, this is how I wear my hair. The next thing I do is I'll just part it up here, and I do a halfway ponytail, and I'll wear this when I have like a new outfit or if I'm feeling good, you know, I feel like I'm gonna have a little swag, or if I'm going out at night, you know, like to a concert or to a bar to see a band or something like that. I do I do the half. I guess you call it the half ponytail or something like that. The halfway. I'm gonna call it the halfway. That's what I'm gonna call it. But that's basically what I do. Sometimes I wear it down here. Sometimes I wear it all the way up. Like I wear it all the way up, right here. You know, make me feel a little more youthful, cause you know I'm in my 30s now. So yeah, so I wear it up like this. Try to give a little energy, you know, which I like it. It just makes it fun. It makes life fun when I wear it up like this. And I wear it like this to church, and people love it. I also wear it like this to work, but I try to keep it professional and stuff like that. So those are the 3 different hairstyles. My last one is when I'm going to the gym, and I hope this doesn't mess up my my retwist. I paid too much money for it, but I wear my hair all the way up here. I try to do a man bun, so I'm gonna try to do one for you guys. Hopefully it turns out right. I don't want to mess up my retwist, but I do a man bun, and I mostly do this one when I'm running. And for some reason, people speak more. People speak to me when I wear my hair up like this. Like, I don't know why. when I wear my hair down or anything else, I don't hear nobody speaks to me at all. But only when I wear my hair up like this, like I get a lot of attention. But yep, I wear a man bun. I wear it only when I work out. I'm not brave enough to wear it out because I don't know how it looks. I do wear it out. I wear it out to the store or something like that. But yeah, I wear it like a man bun like this. Now I normally wear this when I'm running, like because I run, and I also wear this when I work out, when I go to the gym, stuff like that. Because when I'm laying on the benches and stuff, I don't want to be feeling a ponytail and stuff like that. So I wear it up like this. So those are my go-to styles, you guys. I also do the 2 barrels when my hair is, when I'm needing a retwist. I do styles then. I do my own barrels, 2 barrels, or I do the crinkles. I put in plaits, and I rock the crinkles until I can get a retwist. And I wait about 2 months before I get a retwist. Also, if you guys can tell, I'm starting to grow this out right here because I don't want my hairline to be going all the way back there. So I will be growing this out to like right here. So my tape is going to be very thin. You guys have some advice for me in that area, just let me know. But I'm scared because like my locks up here, like they're big, but I'm so afraid of them. I'm afraid of the barbers that be cutting my hair, and I think they be going too far back and stuff like that. So, you know, every time I go, it just seems like they just cutting back and back and back. So I'm just making sure that you know, my hair doesn't go all the way back here, and then I don't want to look like people who have long dreadlocks down here and they have like a freaking afro up here, or their hair, that dreadlocks start all the way back here. If that happens, I'm cutting these bad boys, or I'm gonna grow my hair out and I'm gonna get fake extensions up here, you know, because that's not gonna happen. I don't want to be the guy wearing bands. But you guys, that's it. If you have any questions for me, please drop them down below, and check you guys later. Yeah.